I'm Jasmine Hughes and I'm a field tech in the FDRI team. So the Flow Stick is a piece of equipment we use for monitoring flow. This piece of equipment is particularly suited to very low flow areas with very small streams and springs, so we'll be particularly using this in our chest catchments. We'll be capturing information about how fast particles are moving through the water, and the Flow Stick then uses that to calculate how much water is moving through. That could tell us a lot of information about what springs are feeding into a river and how much water they're supplying, which allows us to get a better understanding of the whole water balance of the catchments, where water's coming in and also where it's leaving. That's important because we want to get a really thorough understanding of each of our catchment areas so that we can understand better how they respond to flood and drought conditions, and hopefully apply that information to rivers and waterways all over the country in the coming years. So this is particularly useful for drought conditions where we'll be seeing really small amounts of water, as opposed to the other equipment which we'll be using more in flood conditions. We would look at that and see how the catchment is responding to the lack of water input and what that's doing to the flow of the river. And we send all that data through to the data team. Thank you for watching my demonstration of the Flow Stick. You can find out more information about FDRI on our FDRI website.